Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Net Optimizer v2, one installed, permission to modify network settings, and a target network selected. Once done, connect via Ethernet for a clean baseline. This reduces variables so changes are measurable. Run the initial scan and record latency, throughput, and packet loss percentage. These metrics tell you where to focus. Make sure to save the baseline report. This first step sets the why. You need reliable data to guide every optimization choice that follows. Now you move into configuration. Enable Adaptive Co-S and prioritize 1 to 3 critical apps so important traffic gets bandwidth first. Next, tweak MTU and TCP window settings, change one variable at a time, and run 3 tests to confirm consistent improvements. Once you observe gains, apply latency smoothing to stabilize jitter, and set the optimizer update frequency to 30 seconds for responsive adjustments. Throughout, monitor the live graphs. This shows why each parameter change improves real-world performance. Finish by saving a named profile and scheduling nightly optimizations so improvements persist without manual effort. Once done, compare final metrics to your baseline. Aim for measurable lower latency and under 1% packet loss. These prove success. If something goes wrong, first reset the profile and rerun the scan. Make sure firewall or VPN rules aren't blocking optimizer traffic. If necessary, restore the saved baseline profile, then iterate. This methodical loop is how you lock in reliable, repeatable results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.